tools for the DevOps. Any one of the cloud like AWS or Azure or GCP, but AWS is a market leader for the cloud. Okay, so most of the organization use AWS cloud. Okay, then as a containerized Docker and Kubernetes, obviously there are, the trending market. Git for the repository management, Jenkins for the deployments. uh, if you look at the deployment model or the DevOps tools, there are certain amount of, lots of tools actually available in the market. Now depends on the company to company or project to project. If the client decide their standards, use these tools up. Sometime some organization or client use Azure or the GCP, or sometime use AWS. Okay, now when I say the Jenkins for the deployment, sometimes client use or project company use GitHub Actions or any Circle CI, or GitLab Enterprise Edition. Lots of other DevOps tools are there. um, but these are the trending tools that every DevOps should learn. Okay, Grafana for the monitoring tools, Terraform. When you deploy all the infrastructure in AWS cloud or any cloud, there is not a good practice to deploy infrastructure by using console. Just click click. Okay, so now the market is automation. Okay, so Terraform helps to provision the infrastructure, manage. If you want to destroy your entire infrastructure within a seconds, you can use Terraform. If you want to recreate again entire infrastructure, you can easily create by using Terraform. If you just consider the time benefits, Terraform helps to recreate the entire infrastructure within a minutes or seconds. Okay, but if you look at the manual process, the earlier stage, the 20s or 90s, so there people do the manual provision, and it takes too much time and lots of headache there. What configuration they are, they note down all the steps, but Terraform helps to automate the infrastructure. Okay, and monitoring, obviously, the monitoring every infrastructure or DevOps guys or any monitoring team should monitor the infrastructure, what's going on, which resources using high or low or whatever. Okay, monitoring is also important factor as an infrastructure monitoring. So these are the trending monitoring tools actually. As I said, depends from company to company, project to project. There are maybe other tools used for the monitoring. Okay, but these are the main, monitoring tools: Grafana, CloudWatch from the AWS side, and Nagios. Okay.